Maybe you've noticed these inspection chambers around your property. They may be different. They've got round ones and they've got different types. But the one you need is a double sealed cover and frame which seals it from, or doesn't allow the rainwater to ingress. I'll tell you why. Because if these drains lead to the sewers in the main road, and in turn the sewers takes it to a private treatment plant or a public treatment works, what they have is a holding tank. And this holding tank separates the solids and unwelcome fat that floats. And then it proceeds to the treatment section. But if there's rainwater in the system, by indirect means or direct means, it will disturb the actual holding tank. It'll not let it settle in any way, shape or form. And you need a holding tank now 5 times the size or more to handle this rainwater. And let me show you now. Right, using a 1/2 inch hose, I filled up a 2-litre bottle and allowed the water, I timed this of course, and then I allowed the water to keep pouring on top of this inspection chamber lid, which is not sealed, it's not a double sealed one, and I allowed the hose pipe to carry on running as I emptied at the same time the 2-litre bottle of water. And as you see here, it only takes a few moments, and you can time this if you want, but you can see how long it takes, and this is 4 litres in about a minute. So you're having this live, so there's no doubt, and you could pour more water onto this. So you can imagine if it was raining, chucking it down with rain, a big downpour, the water would stand proud of this patio for a while, about 1/2 inch, 50 millimetres above the inspection chamber. So then how much water is disappearing through this unsealed lid? This hose pipe water test to see if it goes in between the lid and the frame was carried out, and this is the result. What's more is that's the lid is going into, it's unsealed, and here there's a downpipe. So you can imagine if the downpipe from the roof is connected directly into the sewer system. You can only imagine what's going to happen with the heavy showers or rain or storms. The separation will be enormous. That will be disruptive.
You disturb it a little bit, then the whole thing goes to the top. But this is in actual time, so therefore watch how quick it actually settles. You can see it's settling out very quickly as we speak. Within no time at all, this will have separated. Fats and oils have gone to the top, and most of the solids within a minute, 2 minutes at the most, 5 minutes at the very most, will have separated. You see the clean water starting to show, and you can see the stuff going to the top. And this is an actual time, remember, so you don't watch this video forever, so you know what's going to happen. This is all going to settle out and leave clean water, or milky, what they call wastewater, after it's been separated, to go into the next chamber, which is the treatment section. And it makes it far more easier. This is off my computer, this is in my library. Here you go, that's an actual time where you've been watching this in actual time, and you can see how fast it's settled.
But if there's millions and millions of litres of rainwater and surface water from a storm, then it'll break up any treatment plant. It'll overwhelm it. If you have a brand new treatment plant, it'll overwhelm the treatment plant. It'll cause smells and trouble. If you have a septic tank, it'll push everything out of alignment. These cones have gone out of alignment now. You can see they're not fitting properly. And then eventually, because of that, goes into our rivers. It goes into our streams and into the land itself. But eventually, if we don't control the rainwater from storms or heavy rain, it goes into the seas via the public sewage works, and you can't blame them.